Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Hopefully, you are doing great by the blessings of Almighty. So, today I have come up with a very important tip which is going to help you in order to improve your spoken skill. So, that is nothing special but making videos. So you may ask me that actually how making videos can help you in order to improve your spoken skill. Okay, so the simple answer is whenever you are making videos, I mean you are standing in front of camera, you will easily understand your errors from a various angles. First of all, whenever you are watching the video for the second time, you will understand which sentence, which word you did mistake, and at the same time you will be able to observe your eye contact, your body language, and so on. So that's why it's my cordial request to all of you, and I believe that actually all of you have smartphone in your hand. So whenever you are having free time and wherever you go looks beautiful, try to switch on your front camera and try to make a video, and you will understand how incredibly important the thing is. And I have got the benefit from my learning period, and I assure you that you will be getting the benefit, the utmost benefit from making videos. So it's my cordial request, and thanks for watching the video.